everyone, Andrew here from New Hope Community Bikes, giving you a quick rundown on what you might want to have in your own toolbox so you can do basic repairs at home. So this here is our event toolkit. It's 32 pounds, a little bit on the heavy side. We're going to pick out the basic tools that we think are essential to have in your own toolbox at home. It's also nice to have a bike stand, but if you don't have a bike stand, there's lots of ways to get your bike in a position where you can work on it. First off, we've got screwdrivers. You'll need at least a flathead and a Phillips screwdriver. If you don't know what that is, that's the one that looks like a star. Next up, we've got a set of Allen keys or hex keys. Make sure they're the metric type. We don't want to go stripping any of the bolts on our bike. The next thing you'll want is a chain tool. The one on the right, super handy. You can put it in your pocket, take it on the trail in case you break a chain when you're out on a ride. One on the left, a little more shop quality, heavy duty. It's going to last you a long time. Next up, we've got a selection of wrenches. We've got box end wrenches or an adjustable wrench. If you're just going to pick up one box wrench, make sure it's a 15mm. This is going to be the most useful wrench on the bike. It can be used to remove your pedals and also remove any wheel that has a nutted axle. If you're going to be taking pedals on and off all the time, great idea to make sure you have a pedal wrench. It's going to make it a lot easier to take off your pedals and give you the extra leverage you need to get these parts off. Next thing you want to have is some tire levers. They're going to make it a lot easier to remove the tire and replace the tube. Great thing to throw in your back pocket as well when you go out for a ride. Also, if your bike has an external cup bottom bracket, one of these bottom bracket tools is also super handy. Another useful thing is a set of spoke wrenches. These will allow you to do basic truing on your wheel. You can use your finger or a zip tie as a guide wrapped around the frame and just make small adjustments to keep your wheel properly trued. And last but not least, a great set of cable or housing cutters. These are going to make it so that you can replace your cable and housing at home, cut your various lengths that you need, and keep everything nice and clean and tidy.